I had the RAV4 Hybrid back in June. Unfortunately, I didn't get around. I didn't have an opportunity to upload the video until recently, or I should say edit and upload, because editing is, of course, the hardest part. But so let me tell you about the RAV4 Hybrid. It's a RAV4. They've fully redesigned it, which would make you think that it would feel weird sitting in a RAV4, but it's still the same RAV4 that you're familiar with. And that was both challenging and welcoming at the same time, because I really expected this redesigned RAV4 to feel functionally different. I expected it to just like wow me or surprise me, or I would feel really awkward. But Toyota keeps a lot of the same design cues even when they change their design theme. So on the exterior of the car, you might remember the sporty, the hip, the happening, the RAV4 with that funky, weird front fascia with far too many angles. All that is gone. It's now just your standard SUV grille. It's a lot like the Highlander has always been. But what's really weird is the inside feels a lot larger. So it's not the big Highlander. It's rather TARDIS-like, if you will. So the footprint is exactly the same. The length, width, height is exactly the same. I think depending on whether you get the package and the roof rack, whatever, it adds an inch or something. But otherwise, it's the same. That's rated at, I think, 41 miles per gallon or something like that combined. And I ended up getting 50 or more every single day that I drove it. And it has a lot of great creature features. It's a very capable hybrid, and it's heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's got the ventilated seats, and because it was June and it was getting pretty warm in Chicago, I was able to test those, and I love ventilated seats. They're my new favorite thing. Probably I think the best review I could give of the RAV4 is to say that there's not much to say about the RAV4. The hybrid switch from battery to internal combustion engine and back is pretty much imperceivable. You just get in the car and you drive it, just like a hybrid should be. So, I mean, that's it. Watch the video. It's on our channel. Just look for RAV4 Hybrid, and yeah, hopefully you learn something or something.
Beautiful. Well, yeah, go check out Tony's review of the new RAV4 Hybrid. Thank you so much, Tony Schaefer.